Hey guys, it's Honesty and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a cooking time with me and I'll be showing you how I made my rum barbecue wings. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my chicken wings here. It has already been cleaned and washed with water and vinegar, and I've also cut the wings in half. Now for my ingredients, I have my chicken seasoning here. I'll be using the all-purpose seasoning. This is garlic powder, and then I have ginger, just a piece of ginger. Yes guys, I'll be using ginger. And then I have my paprika, and gotta have ketchup of course. I'll be linking the ingredients down in the description box. For the cornstarch, that will be for my flour, and gotta have barbecue sauce guys. I will not be making the sauce from scratch. And this is the ginger soya sauce, and lastly gotta have rum guys. So this is a dark rum, and you can pretty much use anything that you wish, any rum, dark rum, white rum, you can even use red wine. So let's go ahead with seasoning the chicken. I'll just be using some of the chicken seasoning. The rest is for my flour ingredients, and I'll be using all of this all-purpose seasoning. Then this is the garlic powder, just be using a little bit. And then my paprika, won't be using all of it as well. I'll be leaving some for the flour. Then I'll just grate a piece of the ginger that I have here. And then after that, I'm just gonna put on my gloves and mix this together. Yes guys, so look at this, looks yummy already. So for my flour ingredient, I'll be using 1 cup of flour. Okay guys, I'm gonna add the chicken seasoning here. I won't be adding a lot to the flour, just a tad bit of ingredients. I don't want my flour to be salty. So I added the chicken seasoning, paprika, and the garlic seasoning. And that's it for my flour ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this around. Okay guys, so I added my wings in the mixture and I just shake it off before it's added into the oil. Okay guys, as you can see, I am back on the stove. The hot plate was not working out at all. So at least the wings are frying good right now, so that's a good thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn them, and I wanted them to have a crispy look. That is one of the main reasons why I used the flour mixture. Wanted the chicken to have a crispy look and taste and feel. So yeah, so this is the first batch, and then I'm gonna fry the second batch. Well, guys, these look so good and so yummy and crispy. That's exactly how I wanted it to look. So, guys, it's now time for my sauce. I'm just gonna add some barbecue sauce. That's the honey barbecue sauce. Some soy sauce, and then I'm gonna mix that together. Some rum. And so, guys, I thought I had enough rum in the bottle. I did not, so I went ahead and just added red wine that I had in the fridge. So I'm guessing you can call this rum and wine barbecue wings if you wish. So yeah, I added ketchup and also added sugar as well to just give it a little more sweet taste. So I'm gonna mix that together and let the sauce come to a boil. Yes, so this is exactly how I want my sauce to look. It's thick. I'm just gonna add my wings to it. And then give it a stir, and that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Peace out, guys.